Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix desktop icons hiding by themselves. So these icons right here, if they are hiding, then I'm going to show you how to fix them. So first we're going to want to go to the search down here, and we're going to want to type in registry, and it's going to be the first one right here that pops up, the registry editor. Left click on that, and then from here we're going to go to the H key current user. We're going to click on the little drop down here, and then from here we're going to navigate to control panel. Again, click that drop down menu, and then we're going to look for the desktop, which is this one. Click that drop down menu again, and then we're going to go to Windows Metrics. And then from here you're going to get a nice little table here on the right hand side. We can make this a little bit smaller, and then we're going to go to the icon vertical spacing. I'm going to left click on that, and we're going to change the value to 1128. And we're going to hit OK. And then for icon spacing as well, we're going to double click on that, and then we're going to change that to -1128. And then click on OK, and then your icon should pop up again. Also, I forgot to mention that this needs to have a negative as well. So it has to be -1128 or a -228, whatever you want to name it. And then you hit OK, and then all your icons should come up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, super like it, and check out my other videos. And of course, don't forget to be teching on.